Morning, afternoon people, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Tony, this is Teddy. We're over the allotment. We're planting spuds today, and this year I'm going to do some Ruth Stout method spuds, see how I get on with those. So I'm planting them now. So first things first, let me show you where they're going to go. So this bed here, I've just weeded it. I know it doesn't look like it, but a lot of that is just been pulled up and lying on the ground. So as you can see, it's quite deep, that bed. That's where they're going. The spuds I'm planting today is King Edward and Rooster. Rooster, a red skin variety. I'm going to do 8 plants in there, so I'm going to just do 4 of each. If you have been following the channel, you will notice I've been getting less videos out this year, because this year what I'm doing is I concentrate on doing longer videos from start to finish. So rather than a video like today's video, where I show you how I'm planting my Ruth Stout spuds, I'm going to do more videos start to finish, seed to harvest. So I've got lots and lots of videos in the pipeline. I've got a lot of potato experiment videos going as well. So here's my first earlies. These 3 containers here, that's 1 seed potato, that's 2 seed potatoes, that's 4 seed potatoes. So that video will be out soon. We're going to see what the difference is in yield. Is it worth planting 4 seed potatoes, or will we get the same amount in weight because of the space we've got there tonight? We'll find out. Well, I did tell Nick the gardener, Nick if you're watching, I'll show you my brassicas. So brassicas are in there. And they're doing alright. I'll link Nick the Gardener's channel in the description, by the way. Anyway, so horse manure. That there is well rotted horse manure from the stables. This is going to be our nutrition, or some of our nutrition for these spuds. Spread this out. Into that then as well, I'm going to add this chicken manure pellets. Now I've never used these before, but somebody gave me a big 10 kilo tub, so I thought alright, fair enough, I'll give them a go. Spread a load of those around, because why not? This end, I'm going to plant the rooster. I've used horse manure here and these pellets. You can just put a layer of compost. This is my 4 rooster. King Edward. So it comes harvest time, 4 plants are left to rooster and 4 on the right are King Edward. However, we'll tell the difference because rooster are red skin and King Edward aren't. So there we go. 8 seed potatoes, nicely spaced. lots of nutrition there for them. Horse manure, chicken manure pellets. Now, I've also been down the stables and got straw. This straw is used straw, straight off the muck heap. So, it will have nutrition in it itself, in the form of horse manure and horse pee. Hence why the gloves. Now you could just buy a bale of straw and just use fresh straw. I think it's this method. We're recycling the stuff of the muck heap, and on top of that, I do think that the used horse straw is going to add a bit of nutrition. To our potatoes. Now we'll water them in. They're watered for a few reasons. Obviously all plants need water, but secondly, with this dry straw, the wind catch it, you don't want the wind blowing the straw away. So by giving it a good soaking, it kind of weighs the straw down, stops it blowing away. Garlic's doing well. Anyway, so over here, the experiment I'm doing, I'm trying Ruth Stout method potatoes in containers and seeing what happens versus container in soil. So I don't know. I've never seen anybody try Ruth Stout method in containers. So we're trying. If you want to see that video when it's eventually out, probably in August time, September maybe, do hit subscribe. Now the thing with Ruth Stout method, if you've got potatoes in soil, soil retains moisture really well. You don't have to water as much. With there not being as much soil there, just straw, it doesn't retain the moisture as well. So just give them a bit of extra water if you go a while without rain or anything like that. On top of that, what we'll have to do is, as that straw gets battered down, is top up the straw on top, a bit like when you mound potatoes. Put more straw on top as they start coming through. So if you like that video, do give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more gardening videos, or you want to see the harvest of these when they're ready, do hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.